If you're having trouble accessing your Capital One account, regaining ownership is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to restore access quickly. Step 1. Visit the Capital One website. Go to the official Capital One website using a secure internet connection. Make sure you are on the correct site to avoid phishing scams. Step 2. Click on Forgot Username or Password. On the login page, find and click the link that says Forgot Username or Password. This will direct you to the recovery options. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Follow the instructions. After verifying your identity, follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password or retrieve your username. Make sure to create a strong, memorable password. Step 5. Log into your account. Once you have reset your password or retrieved your username, return to the login page. Enter your credentials and log into your account to confirm that you have regained access. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly regain ownership of your Capital One account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Capital One customer support for further assistance.